The vastness of the human experience is incredible. We have a physical body, we have subtle bodies, the chakra system, energy system, and then we have the aura and the Arcline. And the aura is an electromagnetic field. The Arcline is a signal of our saintlyhood, our spiritual power, so to speak. And we have 3 Arclines. We potentially have 3 Arclines. Everybody has an Arcline from one ear to the other. This is like a halo. In medieval paintings in Europe, you will actually see it painted, a golden light above the head of a saintly person. For women, we have one more, and it's here over the chest, a way of nurturing our nursing babies. And for holy people, there is another Arcline over the 2 feet. And you'll notice that in Eastern cultures, one way to offer respect is to touch the feet of a holy person. And all of those are opportunities to come into contact with the Arcline, a very powerful, energetic presence that a person has and a way of connecting with reverence. And so let's take care of your Arcline with reverence. The Arcline is also where we store our karma, all of the actions that have been done over time, over many, many lifetimes, 8.6 million lifetimes, and all of that accumulates, and part of the accumulation happens energetically around the Arcline. Today's practice is an opportunity to clear past karma and also to enhance your Arcline so that what you attract, your spiritual experience, your spiritual presence, becomes that much bolder, that much clearer to everybody around you. Okay, so let's join in now together. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you for being here. This is Kundalini Yoga for all of life experiences. We begin with a tuning in process, and then I'll lead you through the meditation. So sitting up tall and straight, aligning your spine with the ground below you and the sky above you. Think of yourself as a channel, a conduit of energy from the core of the earth all the way up to the atmosphere and the universe around you. Pressing your palms together at the center of your chest, let's tune in with the Adi mantra. Ong Namo Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call on my highest consciousness. Sitting up tall and straight. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Last one. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply. And set your intentions for today's practice to clarify your energy, clarify your Arcline. And relax. Today we're using a mudra, a moving mudra, as if you were moving an experience past you, letting it go. And a mantra, and the mantra is Waheguru, 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 Wahegio. And so for each Waheguru, we'll move the arms over top of the shoulders. Waheguru, 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 Wahegio. Beautiful, simple, straightforward, and a way to brighten and enliven your earthly experience so that it merges with your spiritual self. So now, eyes closed and focusing at the tip of the nose, I will guide you through the entire way, and you join me. Go at your own pace. If you need to go slower or faster, that's up to you. All right, let's begin now. Sitting up tall and straight. You can sit on a couch, you can sit on the floor, you can be in bed. It doesn't really matter as long as your spine is straight. Let's begin now. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. 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 Last one. Waheguru, 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 Wahegyo. Inhale very deeply. Exhale, relax your hands all the way down. Sit quietly, take a moment. And exhale. Notice your experience. Notice what it felt like to repattern your body with those movements, and also to use this very powerful mantra, Waheguru. Waheguru, whatever takes us from darkness to light. I am. Wahegio. That feels good. When you come across that ginger ale moment where everything aligns, then you know that's the meditation for you, that's the practice, because your inner signal is telling you that. Let's complete, and then I'll tell you a few more things about this meditation after we're done. Sitting up tall and straight, we use a mantra, Satnam, one of the foundational mantras in Kundalini Yoga, to clear and seal our practice. Inhale deeply. Sat Nam. Please ground yourself. You can bring your forehead and palms to the ground, or bring your fingertips to your forehead to complete the practice. What a powerful way to either begin, close, or transition during your day, is to remember that it's worthwhile to sit for a few minutes, to remember that we're beyond this body. We are so much more. We come with lifetimes, generations of experience, and also we have so much ahead. Thank you for practicing with me. This is to clear the Arcline and past karma. Lots of ways for us to work together. Soul Compass Coaching, if you want to do one-on-one work and you're ready to dive into a particular topic, you want to get the wheels moving, we'll always start with a numerology consult. That's the way that coaching starts. Find out what your soul is aligned with, find out how your soul wants things to get done, and then take a look at any repeating patterns around those themes. The second one is Harmony Within, group mentoring program. We meet every week and then also once a month, so that's 6 times a month. We are connecting and finding ourselves in conversation with spiritual people, using Kundalini Yoga to move the conversation forward. And then, of course, Kundalini Yoga training. By far one of my most favorite groups of people. We are dedicated to community, to uplifting each other, to elevating, and to really taking a look at the nervous system, how to work with it using Kundalini Yoga, and starting to really turn around on some patterns that have been well established. So our survival patterns of freeze, fawn, flight, fight, all those things that make us show up in very scattered, erratic, anxious, depressed kind of ways. And, you know, I don't laugh because it's funny. I laugh because every single person, every single one of us has it. And the way to come back from that is to remember your spirit and your body and your essence. And when you do that through the practice of Kundalini Yoga, calm your nervous system so that you can actually listen. What is my intuition telling me about this situation? Past the protection phase, past the connection phase, but what is it that I want to achieve here? And those are the folks who are making it happen. Join us. It's a very incredible year of growth for everybody, myself included, and a way to really, if you found yourself stuck, it's the way to do that. Okay? Lots of love. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Welcome to Kundalini Yoga. And if you've been here for a while, my deepest gratitude. Thank you for helping all of us grow. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep subscribing. Find me on Instagram, find me on TikTok. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.